Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade boom and crash index on the lower time frames. Okay, I have boom 1000 index on my screen on the daily time frame, and what I can see on the daily time frame is that price has formed a bearish structure. All right, but in as much as price is in a bearish structure, we cannot rule out the fact that price is currently ranging around here. So we might be waiting for a range break out either to the top or to the bottom. But for now, price is ranging on the daily time frame. All right, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this order block around here, and then we have another order block around here. So this order block at the top will serve as resistance to price. I'm talking about the 9671 area, and around here we have support to price 9471 area. So price might likely go to the top or to the bottom, but for now price is ranging. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that price is trying to form a bottom, and price might target this order block at the top. We have this order block, could be a target. I'm talking about the 9576 area. Of course, as price goes up, leaves behind the support, and the support that we have that you can see is around this particular order block. Okay, this particular order block could serve as support to price, for price to go up and target the top. But if this support fails, price will definitely come to the low area around the 9460 area. Okay, that's that on the 1-hour time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, we have price trying to get to the top. All right, to the top we have this particular order block as the first resistance area that price might meet with before price goes further up. But on the 30 minutes time frame, you can see this double bottom pattern, this double bottom pattern. Okay, buyers are using this pattern to push price up. We have a break out of the neckline around this point, and we can see price continues to push up. So we might expect price to get to this area, the 9607 area. On the 15 minutes time frame, the double bottom is much more clearer. There's the left bottom, there's the right bottom. Okay, and this is the neckline. We have this order block on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm talking about this order block that could serve as price. Price might get to 9575 area and then dip a bit before going up. All right, on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that the price of boom 1000 index is going up. We have this low around here, high, this low again, this high, this higher low, this higher high. So price might follow this ascending trend line, and on getting to this point, I'm talking about this particular point, price could get a lift and then go further up. So that's that for the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, we have price ticking up. Okay, it's much more clearer. The trend is much more clearer on the 1 minute, so we might be expecting price to get to this point and then go up. But a break of this particular point will send price a bit down. All right, that's that for crash. That's that for boom 1000 index. Let's look at crash 1000 index. Crash 1000 index on the daily time frame is showing a double top. It's showing a double top, meaning retracement or a reversal is in play. Okay, price is currently at the neckline. Price is currently at the neckline, and we might see price dropping as low as 6476 area. Okay, so if you want to trade crash 1000 index, you might look at selling crash 1000 index for now. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see this top on the left side. You can see another top, but this is a double top, getting to this order block, and then finding meeting with resistance and then dropping. So we might see price dropping as low as 6476 area, where we have this particular order block. This particular order block might serve as support to price. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the bears are in control. This structure around here, I'm talking about the 6663 area, has just been broken, and price is establishing lower lows. Look at the break of the neckline of the double top, and break of the neckline, and price starts to tick downwards. Okay, as price ticks down, we have this lower high, lower low. So you might look at selling crash 500 index on the 1 hour time frame. Still on the 30-minute time frame, we have this descending trend line. Okay, as long as the descending trend line is respected, this particular descending trend line, as long as it is respected, you might want to look at selling crash 1000 index. All right, on the 15-minute time frame, what do we have? We see price continue to spike downwards. Okay, if you are going to buy crash 1000 index, that means you will be trading against the spike. You might take this as a TP, or this might be where you place your stop loss in case you are selling. But if you are buying, you might want to TP around here as the first order block on this 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's look at the 5 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 5 minutes time frame? On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see that price is trending down. So allow price to come to this area, and then allow price to come to possibly the 6668 area before you enter your sell trade to catch the spike. Okay, that's that for the 5 minutes time. For the 1 minute time frame, the trend is obviously bearish. Price continues to establish lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So look for selling opportunities. So that's that for crash 1000 index. Let's go to boom 500 index. Boom 500 index on the daily time frame. We can see that price is forming. It's formed a top here. We have another top here. We have a top here, and we might be seeing a top around here. Okay, but that's that on the daily time frame. The overall direction is still bullish. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour time frame. What do we have on the 4 hour time frame? On the 4 hour time frame, zooming in, we can see the price is ranging. We might want to wait for the range to break up before making a decision. But on the 4 hour time frame, we have this ascending trend line that price is currently respecting. Price is currently respecting this very ascending trend line. So you might want to use this ascending trend line with your strategy to know if price will continue up. That is, if price continues to respect this ascending trend line, then it might possibly continue up. But if price breaks below the ascending trend line, then you might have a trend change. Possibly price might give us a double top around here and then drop down for us to have a trend change. But for now, price is trying to go up, which means the scope for now is a bullish scope, more like we have a bullish structure, where price continues to establish a high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a low. Then price is trying to get back to the top. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see this order block on the 1 hour time frame, and it might serve as resistance to price as price tries to go up. And we have this other block as the support. It had already served as support. Look at this particular candle shadow, as it tested the other block, and look at what price is doing. Price is going up, but we also have another other block here that might be tested by price. Okay, that's that for the 1 hour time frame. It's currently ranging. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can see a range. It's visible. This is the range top, and you have your range bottom here. You might want to wait for price to break out of the range for you to enter your trade. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is still ranging, and price is already getting to the range top. You might want to wait for range breakout for you to enter the trade. On the 5 minutes time frame, price is also ranging, and same with the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, price is currently buying, so you might want to catch some spike as price buys. But for now, it appears as if the trend line is currently being invalidated. So as it invalidates the trend line, if price continues and break below this low, you might see price retreating and then going downwards. That's that for boom 500 index. For crash 500 index, crash 500 index has been ranging for the last 3 months, and the range continues. But for now, what we have is a deep, rise, deep, rise, deep, rise, deep, then a deep, a very deep, then a rise, a high rise, and a deep rise, deep. So since the range shows the buyers and the sellers are happy with one another, and range traders are selling from the top while range traders are buying from the bottom. So for now, price is going to it's going up. Price of crash 500 is going up, and the first stop is likely 4664 before we now get to 4732. So if you are trading crash 500 index and you can trade against the spike, you might consider buying crash 500 index. On the 4 hour time frame, look at the ascending trend line. Price is currently respecting the ascending trend line on the 4 hour time frame. Look at something like Morningstar around here, and look at prices reacting to it, and is approaching the top at the 4664 area. So you might consider buying crash 500 index. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see a double an inverted head and shoulder. This is our left shoulder. This is at the head, inverted head, and this is the right shoulder. Okay, you can see that price has broken the neckline. Where's the neckline? This is the neckline, has been broken, and we have a retest, and price continues to go up. So price is targeting the top. Okay, price is targeting especially these prices are almost at this order block. Okay, we might see price poking into that order block and then retreating before price goes back up. Okay, but the overall trend for now is bullish. On the 30 minutes time frame, you can see price is still bullish as price continues to establish higher. This is a high, this is a low, this is a low, this is a high, but not as high as this, and this a higher low. Then we have higher high. So we have a change of character around here, and price is going up. We are not seeing much spike downward for crash 500 index, but rather we are seeing price going up. So if you can trade against the spike, you can as well buy crash 500 index. On the 15 minutes time frame, the trend is bullish on the 15 minutes time frame, and in as much as this particular trend line is respected, you might consider joining the buyers and then buying crash 500 index, unless we see an invalidation of this particular trend line where price breaks it and then descend and retests it for it to descend, for us to have something like a double top before you can consider selling crash 500 index. But for now, consider buying crash 500 index. Look at the 5 minutes time frame, it's still buying, although we are in a range right now, but at the end of it all, I believe it's going to go up. On the 1 minute time frame, we are still in the range, and I believe crash 500 index should go up. So if you want to trade crash 500 index, consider buying. Look at higher. This is a high, this is a low, higher high, higher low. So price continues to establish higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So that's a bullish structure on the 1 minute time frame. So you might consider buying, drawing the trend line. You might consider buying, but if you are going to buy and you want to place stop loss, okay, your stop loss could be this, or you just spike downwards. So your stop loss could be this depth. If you buy at this point, okay, you might place your stop loss around here. But you and I know that crash 500 index does not respect stop loss against the spike. So that's that for today's video. Do not forget to click the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you are yet to like the video, go ahead and click the like button. Click the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we release another video tomorrow, you have it on your notification tab. All right, you can go ahead and drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. All right, you can also go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com. Go there to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.